Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet, didn't start with a silver spoon. He built his fortune from scratch, and today we're diving into how you can do the same. At 24, he says, "I made my first investment at age 11. I was wasting my life up until then." Based on his story, we'll show you how to go from having no money to having a lot of it. So, if you are interested in financial matters, getting a stake early is very useful, and getting knowledge early is very useful. Let's start by talking about how important it is to start early and learn on your way to financial success. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, lived by this rule. Warren famously said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." This isn't just a catchy phrase. It's a fundamental truth in the world of finance. Buffett's career began at a young age. He bought his first stock at just 11 years old and filed his first tax return at 13, claiming his bicycle as a work expense. These early steps laid the foundation for his future success. Fast forward to 2024, and a landscape of learning and investing has evolved. But the principle remains the same. In today's digital age, online courses, podcasts, and financial blogs provide a wealth of knowledge, often for free or at a minimal cost. For example, a recent survey showed that over 60% of successful investors in 2024 attribute their success to continuous learning and staying updated with market trends. But why is starting early so important? Compound interest plays a big role here. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. For example, if you start investing just $100 a month at the age of 20, assuming an average annual return of 7%, you could have over $200,000 by the time you're 60. Delay that to the age of 30, and you'll have about half that amount. Buffett also emphasizes learning from mistakes, both yours and others. Every investor makes mistakes, but the key is to learn from them and not repeat them. This learning process is invaluable. As Buffett says, "It's good to learn from your mistakes, but it's better to learn from other people's mistakes." So why is this relevant in 2024? The financial world is more complicated than ever. New investment vehicles like cryptocurrencies and NFTs are on the rise, and traditional markets are constantly evolving. Keeping up with these changes requires a commitment to learning and adapting. Moving on to the next step in building wealth from scratch in 2024, let's focus on practicing frugality and living below your means, a principle that Warren Buffett not only preaches but also practices. Buffett, known for his modest lifestyle, despite his immense wealth, famously said, "If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need." In an era where consumerism is strong and social media often drives our spending habits, living frugally is a powerful tool for financial growth. Frugality doesn't mean living stingily. It's about making smart choices with your money, prioritizing necessities, and avoiding unnecessary expenses. For a case, consider the average American spending on new cars. Despite the appeal of shiny new models, cars are depreciating assets. Buffett, for years, drove a modest car and only upgraded when absolutely necessary. By choosing a reliable used car over a brand new one, you can save thousands of dollars.